What if I told you that one of the most humble, quirky, and beloved cars of the 20th century has been completely reborn for 2025? Yes, the Citroën 2CV, a car once known for its simplicity and charm, is back, redesigned for a new generation. In this video, we're going to uncover everything about this modern revival, its fresh design, surprising technology, and a twist you won't believe at the end. Stay tuned, because the 2025 2CV might just change the way you look at small cars forever. The legacy of the 2CV. To understand why this comeback matters, we need to go back to the beginning. The original Citroën 2CV, launched in 1948, was built with a mission: to get rural France moving again after the war. The car had to carry 4 people and a basket of eggs across a plowed field without breaking a single one. And believe it or not, it could. The 2CV quickly became more than just a car. It was a cultural symbol. It was cheap, cheerful, and accessible to nearly everyone. Over the decades, more than 5 million units rolled off the production line. Farmers, students, artists, adventurers, everyone seemed to have a story with the 2CV. But times changed. Production ended in 1990, and the quirky little car became a nostalgic memory. That is, until now. The 2025 redesign, a modern icon fast forward to today, and Citroën has done the unthinkable. They've brought the 2CV back, but in a way that respects its heritage while looking boldly into the future. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is not just a car, it's a statement. The exterior design instantly reminds you of the classic, with its rounded body, playful curves, and that unmistakable silhouette. But look closer, and you see sharp LED lighting, aerodynamic tweaks, and modern proportions. The headlights, once simple circles, are now futuristic ovals with daytime running lights that give it a friendly yet high-tech face. The corrugated bonnet? Still there, but reimagined with lightweight recycled aluminum. This isn't retro for the sake of retro. It's a clever evolution of an icon. Inside the cabin. Simple yet smart step inside the 2025 2CV, and you're welcomed by an interior that's as quirky as it is modern. Citroën hasn't forgotten that the original was about simplicity and affordability. The new model uses durable recycled fabrics, minimalist dashboard design, and modular seating that can be rearranged or even removed for extra cargo space. But this is 2025, so it also comes with the essentials of modern life. A central digital display, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems. Citroën didn't overload it with unnecessary tech. It's functional, playful, and refreshingly different from the bland interiors we see in so many small cars today. Powertrain. The big shift now here's where things get interesting. The original 2CV was famous for its tiny air-cooled 2-cylinder engine, which barely produced enough power to outrun a scooter. But the 2025 version, it's gone fully electric. Yes, the new 2CV is a pure EV with a range of around 250 miles on a single charge, designed specifically for urban life and short adventures. It's not built to break speed records, but to capture the same spirit of accessibility and practicality that made the original so loved. And here's a brilliant touch. Citroën has programmed a special heritage sound option for the interior speakers. With a press of a button, you can make the car sound like the old 2-cylinder chugging along, purely for nostalgia's sake. It's a small detail, but one that shows Citroën understands what made the 2CV so special. The surprise twist, A. Convertible version. Here's the surprise that will keep you smiling. Alongside the standard 2CV, Citroën has announced a convertible model with a full rollback fabric roof, just like the original. Yes, the joy of peeling back the roof and feeling the wind in your hair is back, but this time with modern safety and convenience. Imagine driving through the city, roof rolled back, enjoying silent electric power, but still capturing that vintage 2CV vibe. It's retro charm reborn for the Instagram era, and Citroën knows it's going to turn heads everywhere. Driving experience, fun over fast. The 2025 2CV isn't about speed, it's about fun. Citroën engineers deliberately tuned the suspension to mimic the floaty, forgiving ride of the original. It soaks up bumps and rough roads with ease, almost like gliding. Steering is light, visibility is excellent, and the car feels approachable even for new drivers. This isn't just transportation, it's personality on wheels. A reminder that driving doesn't always have to be about horsepower or lap times. It can be about charm, laughter, and freedom. Who is this car for? The new 2CV is aimed at a wide audience, much like the original. Young city dwellers who want something stylish and affordable, families looking for a second car that's practical yet fun, or even older drivers who owned the classic and want to relive those memories with a modern twist. It's not trying to compete with Tesla or performance EVs. Instead, it's carving its own path, just as the original did. It's for people who want a car with character, not just another box on wheels. A new chapter in the story. So what does this revival mean? It means Citroën has embraced its roots, while stepping into the electric future. It means we don't have to choose between nostalgia and progress. We can have both. The 2025 2CV is proof that history can repeat itself, but smarter, cleaner, and better suited for today's world. And let's be honest, this car isn't just practical, it's fun. It puts a smile on your face before you even start it. That's something many modern cars have forgotten how to do. The 2025 Citroën 2CV isn't about being the fastest, the flashiest, or the most high-tech. It's about reminding us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Simplicity, charm, and freedom. It's a piece of history reborn, ready to win over a new generation of drivers. So, what do you think? Has Citroën created the perfect revival? Or is this too quirky for today's market? One thing's for sure, the 2CV is back, and the automotive world just got a lot more interesting. This has been your look at the redesigned 2025 Citroën 2CV, narrated by Asa Ryder.